Doing skincare as a man isn't weak, it's power. Two guys walk into a room. One has dull, oily skin. The other looks sharp, fresh, glowing. Who do people notice first? Exactly. Your skin is the first handshake you give the world. These are 7 rules every man must follow for that glass skin glow without wasting time on fake hacks. Most guys fail, not because skincare is hard, but because they follow garbage advice. Toothpaste on pimples, DIY serums, or worse, ignoring skincare completely. This video is different. Real, science-backed steps that actually work. Let's go. Rule number 1. Stop touching your face. Every time you rest your chin in your hand, you're pressing germs into your pores. Steering wheel grease, your phone screen, even that burger you had for lunch. Challenge yourself. The next time your hand goes to your face for no reason, you lose. Rule 2. Sunscreen. Think it's optional? Wrong. UV rays silently destroy skin. Just look at truck drivers. One side of their face looks 20 years older from sun exposure. Daily sunscreen is the cheapest anti-aging hack in the world. Apply it even for short trips. Rule 3. Cleanse smart. Not with hand soap, bro. That strips your skin like sandpaper. Use a face wash designed for men. Bonus points if it has salicylic acid. Think of it as upgrading from washing your car with dish soap to detailing it properly. Rule 4. Exfoliate. Your skin is like a glass window. Daily washing helps, but dust piles up. Exfoliation removes the dead layer so the fresh skin shines through. Do it twice a week. More than that, and you'll look like you wrestled a sandstorm. Rule 5. Post-wash care. After cleansing, fuel your skin based on type. Dry skin, moisturizer. Oily skin, go lighter, like calamine or gel-based formulas. Normal or combo, vitamin C serum works great. Washing cleans, but what you put on after keeps you glowing. Rule 6. Trim the junk. Use a face razor, not for your beard, but for that tiny, useless fuzz. Removing it makes your skin instantly brighter, like wiping dust off a mirror. Do it once in a while. You'll look sharper instantly. Rule 7. Diet. You can clean your face all day, but if your liver and digestion are weak, it's useless. Junk food makes you look junky. Protein and vitamin A-rich foods, eggs, lean meat, carrots, rebuild your skin from the inside out. Healthy inside, glowing outside. Here's the truth. Clear skin isn't about expensive products or 10-step routines. It's 7 simple rules, done consistently. Follow them, and in 30 days, you won't just look better, you'll feel unstoppable. If you found this video valuable, smash like, drop a comment with your biggest skin problem, and subscribe for more. And when you're done, watch this next video right here. It's the perfect upgrade to your look.